2024 Chevrolet Colorado. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, automatic headlights, auxiliary input. This is a top-rated dealer. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us.